In this video, I'll show you how to quickly turn autocorrect on or off on your Mac, depending on what works best for you. Sometimes autocorrect helps speed up your typing and avoid embarrassing mistakes, but other times, especially when you're writing in multiple languages, using slang or typing names, it can be more of a headache than a helper. So let's open the settings on our Mac, and we can do that by clicking on the little Apple icon at the top left corner of the screen, and then tap on this System Settings option from the following menu. You'll see a bunch of options related to your Mac at the left side of the window, and the option which will open is the keyboard option here. If you don't see the autocorrect option anywhere, that is because it's hidden somewhere in the Input Sources section. So let's say you want to turn on or off autocorrect for the US keyboard. Tap on the Edit next to the language or the keyboard, and that's going to open a bunch of settings related to that input source. If you want to turn on or off the autocorrect feature, just toggle this switch that's called Correct Spelling Automatically, and that's it. If you have any questions about this process or anything else, please make sure to leave a comment down below and leave a like on the video. It would really help me out. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you soon.